This hole looks money. Creek's coming right around a bend and there's lots of overhang bush. So I'm gonna cast right in through here, work my way up around that bend. I got terrible casting space. So let's see if I can just manage this a couple casts without getting snagged up. Where I probably want to be is right around that bend, but I got to work up to that very slowly because I don't want to get caught. I got to cast over top of my head here. All right. That's what I needed to do. Oh, stay away from those. He's way over there by those bushes. So if I can just get right in here. All right. Nice healthy fish. All right, I'll take it. Took that Duracell. Let's take a closer look at that fly. All right. Here we go. See if we can do a little underwater release here.